Hello and welcome to this course on Python for data analysis and visualization. This video is here to give you an overview of the curriculum. This first section is all about setting up your environment and downloading the course resources. The course resources will contain all of the notebooks which are essential for completing this course. Then from section 2 right through to section 5, we'll be covering the core components of Python. Everything from objects, variables and data types through to control flow, loops, and functions. This includes built-in functions that are part of the standard Python library and more advanced concepts such as lambda functions. Section 2 to 5 is very extensive and perfect for beginners to the Python language. It's intended to get you up to speed with everything you need to know to be able to utilize the external modules and libraries in the following sections. Then from section 6 and beyond, we focus on the external libraries in Python, such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. The data analysis libraries, such as NumPy and Pandas, will focus on working with and analyzing data, doing things like data transformation, manipulation, data grouping, pivoting, and much more. The data visualization libraries, such as Matplotlib and Seaborn, will focus on how to create really nice visuals from your datasets. They continue on from the things you learn with the data analysis libraries and show you how to create a variety of charts to display the key findings in your data. This course is open to people of all abilities, whether you're a complete beginner or if you come with experience. If you're a beginner, then you should be starting this course from the very beginning and completing all sections. If you're experienced with the core Python language and are comfortable with everything I've described from section 2 to 5, then you should complete the first section as it contains all of the resources you need to complete the course, but then you can skip right through to section 6 and start from there. This course also contains sections that are dedicated to challenges. This is aimed at testing your ability to apply what you've learned to real-world situations, so please make sure you attempt all of the questions and requirements. Okay, so with that being said, let's move on to the next lecture.